with all of my Victron components installed, solar panels were the last piece of the puzzle for the electrical setup in general. There was a lot of wiring that I had never done before, so wire management is going to have to be handled at the end. Oh, another trailer update. Today's an exciting day. It's solar panel day. These came in yesterday. They are REC, R-E-C, 365 watt modules, monocrystaline. My idea is that we are going to use a cargo trailer roof rack to mount them sideways. Don't know exactly how that's going to work, but I figure I kind of played with the layout last night. It looks like I can get 3 panels in the rear of the air conditioner, and then 1 panel in the front of the air conditioner, which will take 6 racks. Today I'm either just gonna get it all up onto the roof of the cargo trailer, see how the layout looks. It's a little cold. Thermostat says 40 degrees, but there's ice on top of the trailer, which shouldn't be an issue since I'm actually side mounting the rack to the side walls for 2 reasons. One, I didn't want to put any unnecessary holes in the roof. Number 2, the weight of the panels on the roof might be a little much. So I got the heater going in here. We've made a lot of progress. We got the hippie jack bed system going. It's operational, but I haven't built the bed. Refrigerator and microwave are installed and hooked up to the battery bank. An inverter and working. All the lights are working. Still using shore power for things like heat. The air conditioner is set up, and it's going to be an interesting day. So I will try to do some video and some commentary on the progress of how this all works out. But it's an exciting day for me. In the future, I will try to do a video on an overview of the entire electrical system, just saying where each connection goes and how each piece connects. Okay, just a quick update as to how I am mounting the solar panels. The Northern Arizona Wind and Sun sent me a S5 mounting bracket that is designed to go that way down into the roof and probably hold a rail or something here. But since I am not penetrating down through the roof, since I am going to hang on those rails, I've decided to peel the sticky sealant. There's actually a technical name for that, but I don't know it. Peel that off the bottom, and I will repurpose that for when I mount the racks through the side. So the ways these are designed is these are S5. Yeah, stop making fun of me.
Are you drunk?
No. These are called S5 brackets. They're designed to go down into the roof, hence the sticky sealant on the bottom, which absolutely would never stop water from getting in. And then this mounts to the solar panel, and the solar panel would sit on top of these. But since I'm not putting holes in the roof, and I am going to hang them from there,
That's incognito.
It is more incognito than just drilling a bunch of holes in a roof and having a leaky roof. I am repurposing the sealant that they put on the bottom of this for my side brackets. And I flipped them over where they will mount, and then this will mount to the top of the rail like that. Thank you for helping me point the video camera. It will help me mount like that, hanging from that. So I was able to get all 3 panels in the rear on the racks, and I was able to use the brackets the way I was describing in the video. But because of the front door and the air conditioner, the front panel is going to have to be mounted to the roof, which is not what I wanted. But because of the door on the left-hand side, I could not put 2 more racks on that front side. So because I'm a roofer, I will seal those really, really well using both the Biddle tape and probably construction sealant like Sikaflex. But for the time being, I'm really glad that I was able to get those solar panels installed.